Hey guys, I'm Nate. I'm out here in the desert with Stuart Edge, and we've got our paintball gun tanks, and we're ready to start driving them and shooting them at each other. Building these things was super fun, and it would not have happened if it were not for our sponsor, World of Tanks. Check out the link and the promo code in the description. Yeah! Building the second of these tanks took me almost 16 hours to complete, and it only went that fast because on the first tank I had figured out how to do everything.
See, Nate assumes that I'm just like a shoot, 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 shoot. No, I precisely time my shots. I could go like days with the amount of paintballs we put in there.
That's right, you could, because you're never going to be behind my tank to shoot my tank. You're never going to get a single hit.
Okay, you know,
Boom.
so hard words are coming out of his mouth. But all I see is this, and that's all I hear is blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's go.
Coming for you. Coming up behind you fast. Better run, run. No, no.
No! I just realized something. We're down here at the same level of these paintball guns.
We are.
We should probably go.
You think we might get shot? It's
yes.
Yeah, let's take the hill. Oh. Oh! All right, that's it. You're going down. You're going down. You're going down.
Oh! Oh!
You're gonna hit a rock and you're just gonna roll right over. Oh, rude.
I'm coming at you! Oh!
All right, go, go, go.
Oh! 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 Down! Yeah! Victory!
Don't go over there.
Oh.
Don't go over there.
Yours is done.
What the heck? I'm stuck on.
Oh, he survived!
I'm coming back. Coming back. I'm not going down that easy.
Oh!
Tank down! I'm pretty sure that even with the frame, the loaded paintball gun, and the foam body on these tanks, they're still hitting almost 25 miles an hour.
Oh, that was good.
I killed it! I shot a tank and it died! That's what happens with tanks, right? You shoot them and then they just die.
I got you right on the...
We'll take it. That'll be great, even with your car flipping and dumping out its air tank. Look at this, look. You nailed my, well actually you nailed the GoPro attached to my tank, splattered the paintball tank, and then you physically ran into my tank and fell over.
I had to sacrifice my tank to get that shot, but it was well worth it. Aimed right here on the hopper, on the GoPro.
Oh, all right, that's it. These things are actually really fun. These cars are killer. Having a paintball gun. Have you ever driven anything that you can drive and shoot before?
No, I'm not.
I think this is the first for me.
Yeah, they look realistic too.
It's fun, especially when you're like a little ways away from them. You're just like, oh, it's just like a tank just traveling over the little desert scenery.
It's kind of trippy because you think you're looking at like a huge tank off in the distance and you're super far away, but yeah, you're not.
And then you realize that most tanks probably can't spin out the way that these ones do.
Yeah.
It's fine. They're good. It's pretty hard to actually hit someone's tank, but it's really entertaining. This project has been a ton of fun. Thank you to Stuart for being the co-pilot. I don't know, what do you call the person who drives a tank? Tankist? Tanker? I can't be right. Anyway, also a huge shout out to our sponsor for this video, World of Tanks. World of Tanks is a free online game that throws players into epic tank battles across incredible battlefields. You can work as a team, you take part in joint operations, you can engage in head-to-head duels that feel like any other co-op shooting game. As a reminder, if you sign up now using the code WW2TANKS, you can get 3 days of premium play, 500 gold, and a free premium tank. Check the link in the description below for more details. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber yet, hit the bomb to get in the club. If you missed our last video or you want to watch it again, click up here at the top. Click down there if you want to see what the internet thinks you should watch next. That's it for now. Have fun, be safe, see you tomorrow.